Yeah, so my lip is real furry. And my eyebrows, they don't look really furry, but if you look really close, there's definitely some hairs there that need to go. So before I put my makeup on, I am going to wax my lip and my eyebrows. And you guys are gonna get to laugh at me a little bit here. So here we go. For the underneath here, so I kind of let it get down to the end there just a little bit. So I am applying the wax in the direction that my hair goes, and then when I rip it off, you go against the hair. I hate them. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Yes, I count to 3 for myself. Because I'm a baby. And getting all the excess off. Okay. Blah. And I got the other one on here. 1, 2. Gah! I hate waxing. That one. Oh my god. Oh my god, my eyes are watering, you guys. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Oh. One side done. One more side to go and then I'm done. Okay. I hate it. Okay, we're done. Thank God. My eyes are watering. I just figured I'd give you guys a good laugh today and let you see how I wax my eyebrows and my lip. If you've never tried waxing your lip, it does hurt, but it's totally worth it because when you put your makeup on, it looks so much better. So give it a try. Don't yell at me when it hurts. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll hopefully keep putting up more of these videos.